Hi, this week we've been exploring perspectives. And today I'd like to share a perspective that we use all the time without even thinking about it. The perspective of equality. So this morning I am running a 5K race on a standard 400-meter track. Nothing serious, just a workout. But it made me wonder, how many laps is a 5K? Now, since 5,000 meters divided by 400 meters is 12.5, the answer is 12 and a half laps. Now, in math, we would write 12.5 laps equals one 5-kilometer race. Now, at first, that seems pretty ordinary. But notice something. A distance measured in laps became equal to a distance measured in kilometers. Two different descriptions, but one reality. Now, suppose I do not like the decimal. I can multiply both sides by 2, and now I have 25 laps equals 2 5-kilometer races. Again, same relationships, different perspective. And now everything is a whole number. And what makes this interesting and kind of cool is on a track, if I run enough full laps around the track, I will eventually reach an integer multiple of 5K distances. Now we do this kind of thing all the time. 4 quarters equals $1. 16 tablespoons equals 1 cup. Meters convert to miles. Inches convert to centimeters. And math gives us a way to recognize when two things that look different are actually equal. Now what's even more interesting is that many of these relationships are human inventions. We created dollars and cups and miles and kilometers. And because we created them, we can always find a conversion between them. If we keep scaling the relationship, eventually we can often express it using whole numbers. For example, 1 lap around a 400-meter track is about 1/4 of a mile. But if I keep running enough laps, eventually, I can find a whole number of laps that equals a whole number of miles. Now, the details may be messy, but the conversion exists. And to me, that's one of the beautiful things that mathematics does. It helps us to see equivalence. It helps us to recognize when two different descriptions are really talking about the same thing. But tomorrow, we're going to look at a famous example involving a circle. And at first, it will seem like just another conversion problem, like today. But it leads to one of the most surprising discoveries in all of mathematics. We will discover that two distances that can never be converted into matching whole numbers. And that simple fact changed mathematics forever. I really hope to see you tomorrow.